Morning everyone, Bali day 3, we're going to the beach, let's go! Big family here. As mentioned earlier from the earlier video, we did hire a driver here and this is his van. So if you're in Bali, I'm gonna put his information in the box description so you can hire him for your convenience. Do you know what we eat in the morning in Bali? Gusto. Gusto is
ice cream, gelato.
Gelato ice cream. That's what we're gonna get right now. Be careful. Oh, gelato.
Great.
Hi Ethan. Whoa, look at that. That one looks so good.
Okay.
In Bali, this is how they pick up the garbage. This one here, it's called everything $100,000 rupiah. So it's kind of like everything $1 store in America. $100,000 is more like $6 or $7. Right here, we are getting backpack for Zion school.
Yeah.
Like that, $7. $100,000 rupiah. Good deal. Alright, we're here. So we are going to do water sport. We are finding a place to sit here. And there's a very nice shade here.
Yes.
Nice. This is our area.
We're also excited. Oh yeah.
Kemudian banana boat sekali jalan bisa 6 orang.
Look at that, I have chicken here. So they do have a few packages and options. They can do parasailing, you can do the banana boats, you can also do snorkeling and many more things.
We can see? Yeah, we can.
First we're gonna try the banana boat. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
So how does the seating work?
I don't know, let's follow them. Oh, Mas.
Okay, listen to me, yeah? When it falls, let go your hand.
Okay. Alright guys, for dinner we're gonna eat seafood here. We are currently at Kedongan. Where are we? Kedongan.
In Pasar Kedongan, yes.
Pasar Kedongan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the fish market area here.
Fresh fish.
We're gonna buy the fresh fish.
Cheaper. And then we're gonna bring to the restaurant. They're gonna cook it for us.
Right.
Ayo, Mas. Ini karena lebih besar gitu ya.
Iya.
Ini berapa kerapu? Ini kerapu macam ini.
35. Alright, so we got all the fishes, all the seafood. We're gonna bring it to the restaurants and they do offer the service to cook the fish. So that's what we're gonna do now. Yeah, you wanna try to go inside and see how it looks? Just in front of there and look around. It's very, very interesting.
Wow. Well, why does it smell so?
Look here, 1, 2, 3. Officially in Indonesia now.
No, of course not.
Yes, sir. Look at all these boats. Fisherman boat.
Ada bumbu bakar. Ya, ada garlic.
Ada garlic.
Iya.
Okay, so we just did bring the food to the cooker, and what they're gonna do is they're gonna cook the food for us as per our request. It's actually very busy here, so we're still waiting for our table. So in the beach, they do have photo sessions. I see they take picture with horse earlier, and yeah, let me show you the sunset today. I found the horse. Look at that. If you wanna take picture with horses on sunset time, right there. Food takes forever to cook. Finally, we got our coconut. Check the background. It's so nice, right? Dinner with a fireworks. Priceless. Woo, look at this. We also have this. Look at this fish. Woo, look at that shrimp. It's so good.
Grilled shrimp. With garlic sauce.
Feels good.
If you destroy this, he big trouble. Is it good?
Yeah, this is safe. They say it's very good.
Look at this scallop. Sauce padang. Spicy. This is the grilled fish. Let's try.
Grilled fish, everybody.
The clam. Ta-da! Woo!
Fried calamari.